Alrighty, y'all. So I am starting on some freshly washed hair, and I have already sectioned off everything, already having my leave-in conditioner, and the mousse that I'll be using is this one from Alikay Naturals. It is very new to me. The brand is new to me, so this will be a kind of first impressions as well as just overall how it works on my hair. So this is what it looks like. And I read the instructions. It said that we were supposed to add a leave-in conditioner to it, so I did that. I don't have the leave-in conditioner that is with this line, but I did use the one from African Pride Moisture America, and I put it on the screen in case you don't know which one I'm talking about. And what I'm gonna do is just unravel the hair because I already put leave-in conditioner and my hair is pretty damp, wet to say the least. So I will just section. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna section off the hair, then I'll be back when it's time to use the mousse. Alrighty, y'all, so I have the section that I want to start on here, and I found that as I've been doing these mousse wash and goes, that working on small sections is actually better than working in bigger sections because you want as much definition as possible. So that is what I'll be doing for this style. And first impressions, the smell, it actually kind of smells like lemongrass. It really does, especially since it's a lemongrass styling mousse. It definitely does smell like lemongrass, and I am assuming that the consistency is of a mousse. Oh, okay. This is what it's looking like. It has a yellow tint to it, but it smells like lemongrass. But I'm not perturbed by the smell. I just want to see how well it works on my hair. It did say to add a generous amount to my hair, so this is generous enough for this small section here. So I'll be doing that, and upon applying it to my hair feels extremely soft. It really feels conditioning, to be honest, other than the fact that my hair already has a leave-in conditioner in it. Just the fact that it feels even more conditioned with the mousse on top of it. I am really impressed. And I can feel my curls clumping together, so that is something that I'm looking for when it comes to a mousse. And as you're seeing here, it's actually clumping my curls together so far. I'm just gonna add a little bit more since it said a generous amount. I've added 2 extra pumps. I think before I added 4, so 2 more will make 6. And so far, I'm actually enjoying this mousse. I'll see how it dries because I have found that you can like the mousse when your hair is wet, and then when it dries is a different story. But so far my hair feels really defined and it feels really soft, especially with the leave-in conditioner that I have in my hair. My hair feels really soft. So this is what the curls are looking like. And yes, I will continue with the rest of my hair. I will do a montage for this section right here, and then I will be back when the rest of my hair is completed. Okay, so far for the first impressions, I really like this mousse. I really like how easily I applied it to my hair. I really like how it feels moisturizing to my hair strands, and I really like how it has been clumping my curls so far, as you're seeing here. And that is all I will say for now until I am finished with the rest of my hair, and then I will be back with the dried results. So stay tuned for that. Alrighty, y'all. So minus the greasy face from the heat, my hair feels amazing with the product in it. And as you're seeing, this side is starting to dry, and this side is still wet, but it's also starting to dry. So I just want to show you the more or less wet results still. So this is my hair. I will show you a full 360. And so far, my thoughts on the product still stands. My hair feels extremely moisturized and it feels really soft. So I'm waiting to see the hold that it is going to give my curls. Obviously, mousses won't give a hold like a gel would, but I am really anticipating these results, and these are what my curls are looking like, as you're seeing. And I'm just gonna show you how much product I used. The bottle was full, and it is a long hair, So I'd say I used a decent bit. In some sections, I did go in with 4 pumps and sometimes just 2 pumps. So that is why a lot more product isn't gone. And I can't wait to show you my results when they finish drying. I'll come back tomorrow so that you can see those results. So stay tuned for that. Alrighty, so after a day of encountering breeze, because the place was really windy, I am back with the results from yesterday's styling, and I can safely say that with the heat and the wind, I would have expected my hair to be dry, and honestly my hair does not feel dry. My hair actually feels soft, and I can definitely say that I am enjoying this mousse so far. And what I will also say is that the mousse doesn't leave a sticky feeling on your hands, just like other mousses that I would have tried in the past. It doesn't leave a sticky feeling. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would I rate this mousse? I would have to give this mousse an 8. It is a big contender for being a staple product in my product collection. Not that my product collection will be big anyway, because my styling and my overall hair care regimen is quite simple, so I don't need that many products. So this is definitely something that I may jolly well add to my staples. And this is the end of this video. Here are the curls. So yes guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, definitely hit that like button. And if you want to see more natural hair content from me, I upload every Sunday. Definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me, and share this video with someone who is interested in trying new natural hair products, an easier way to do a wash and go, or just a new styling mousse. Definitely send this video to them, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.